today is
Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day,
Sa
everyone.
lahat. Yan.
So, mamayang papasok muna kami sa work and mamaya susunduin namin mga bata. Try naming magpunta sa mga event. Tapos, abangan namin yung fireworks mamayang 10 o'clock p.m. Ano,
Yeah.
babe?
Punta kami doon sa downtown.
Sa legislature.
Hanap kami ng magandang area mamaya.
Sigurado maraming tao yan kasi of course holiday. Tapos karamihan sa mga tao nagpupunta. So naka-ready na kami. Terno
Yeah.
kami, tapos terno naman yung dalawang bata mamaya. T-shirt nila. Ngayon lang kami makaka-attend kasi last 3 years hindi pa namin nasusubukan kasi nga may work. Tapos wala kaming sasakyan, mahirap
Mag-commute.
mag-commute. Uuwi pa kami, dadaan yung mga bata, tapos hahanap nga kami ng lugar. Pag may sasakyan, very comfortable naman. Pag hindi kami obra dun sa isang place, makakalipat kami sa ibang place naman, yung may mga event, para malibot namin ngayon.
Okay?
Yun lang, guys. Update
See
namin
you mamaya,
kayo.
guys.
Mamaya. Sa vlog. I-vlog natin yung mga events kung may maabutan tayo na magaganda. Pero we will try. So, see you later. Bye. Yan. Happy Canada Day. Can I see your shirt? Wow.
What does it say?
Canada Day. And Daddy. Old Navy. Ayan, guys. Papunta kami Churchill. Actually, maraming pupuntahan ngayon. Ay, hindi pala sa Churchill, sa legislature. Kasi sa Churchill, guys, mahirap ang parking. Walang parkingan doon. Sa legislature, medyo marami pang bakante. Kaya lang, ito umaambon na. Go to the daddy side. Tingnan nyo naman.
We're going to the
Tinuloy niya na yung ulan. How can we... Okay, wait. My baby's gonna tell you something.
We're going at like the spray park again,
And then?
and then we're gonna see
In 2.8 kilometers, turn left onto 63rd Avenue Northwest.
it's
What do we have?
fireworks.
Yeah. The fireworks will be at the Millwoods later.
Karing fireworks.
Wow!
They'll be
It's,
gonna-
I found it was raining.
So what is it today?
Ano bang anong oras
Yes.
yung ulan?
And it's raining.
We're celebrating
Check mo nga ate.
Canada Day.
Kung anong oras yung ulan, check mo kung may fireworks pa mamaya. Kasi pag umulan,
Kakaroon naman ng announcement yan. So, look guys, dilim-dilim na. Paano pa kami?
ang ulan.
10 p.m. start nung nung fireworks. Paano na yan guys? Light rain na lang. Hindi po putok na. Ay, hindi magpa-fireworks yun? Pagka ganon.
Pwede naman.
Ah,
Kaso
pwede.
wala kang nanonood kasi nga.
Kaya nga,
baka-
maambon, diba? Oh my God
Pero
naman.
kung ready to, ready to
Get wet.
Wet ka.
Pag mga puting hindi nga sila nagpapayo.
Kaya,
Buti na lang hindi magpapapain.
Mama, am I gonna play at the spray park?
it depends. But it's raining. We will not go down yet if it's raining. We'll just stay in the car.
Yeah, but I'm gonna play first.
You can blow bubbles. You can open that.
Now?
No, not here in the car. Kulit ni Bri. Isang lakas ng ulan.
Wow!
Biglang araw kanina, tapos biglang ganito na. Paano pa kami
Go past the
makaka-attend
slide,
ng...
Then use the right two lanes to keep right onto 98th Avenue Northwest.
Oh my God. Sa Ottawa, guys, is na-cancelled na lahat ng event because ang lakas ng daw doon, ulan. So, dito din, look. Paano pa yan? Wala na. Pero nakapag pa sila kanina, event. Kasi maaraw kanina, maghapon eh.
Ate, you have a little bit, I have a lot.
Pero alam ko may andun pa rin sa legislature. Silipin lang natin. Hindi kami makakababa niyan. May balat kasi yung isa. Ay, dalawa pa lang may
Keep right,
balat.
then keep right toward 97th Avenue West.
Yun naman. Ang perfect naman. Kahapon maghapon umaaraw guys. Canada Day it is. Oh, there's one. Look at that guys. The weather is awful. Ngayon lang kami, attend ng Canada Day. Nag-uulan pa, oh.
In about 1.5 kilometers, take a slight left turn
So,
onto
let's see
109
kung anong lagay sa legislature ngayon. Update later, guys.
Wow! You're so high.
Yeah. Hindi tayo makakababa. Grabe na may ulan, guys.
In 1 kilometer, take a slight left turn.
So, guys, hindi na matutuloy. Uuwi na lang kami.
Meron dun, no?
Oo, kaya lang lakas naman ng ulan. Basa din tayo niyan. Uwi na lang kami. And I'm sure di na matutuloy yung fireworks mamayang. Kung titila siya ng 10 p.m. ha. Next year again.
Use the right 2 lanes to keep right onto
Ang lakas ng ulan, no, guys?
Why are you laughing?
Because it's raining so heavily. Next year na talaga. Plus, di na kami bumaba. Tas ang haba ng pila dun sa parking. Oh, naon siya mi ang aming Canada Day. Grabe naman yung ulan. Sorry guys. Wala tayong vlog ng Canada Day. Ito lang yung vlog natin. Because Nelly Maclang Park pa yun. Lakas naman ang ulan. Maraming nagsisi-uwian. Marami din expecting pa rin.
Hey, it's stop.
But I'm sure
At the
Stop.
left, use the
won't
left 2 lanes
stop
to keep
yet.
left.
Okay, Happy Canada Day, guys na lang. Happy Canada Day. Ate, Happy Canada Day. Baby, Brie. You can do that na lang later, okay?
Uwi
Yeah.
natin, ihinto na yung ulan.
Nakakainis. Bye! Ayan, guys. So, ito na lang ang mapupuntahan namin. We're gonna watch the fireworks na lang. Hindi na kami nakanood nung iba kasi umulan. Pagkalakas-lakas. So, from stroller, nag-wagon na din kami. Cause, malamig na yan. Ow! Malamig na siya mamaya. See? Yung aking AirPods. Naiwan to. Yung rabbit oh. Hi rabbit, hey. Daming insect. I will spray you, Brie, with ano. Mag-i-spray ako guys na maraming ano yan, lamok mamaya. So, wait lang guys.
We went there before.
Yan guys. Dito merong, anong tawag dito?
Who was I saying?
Carnival.
Who was I
Dito sa gustong sumakay ni Brie. But you're not allowed to get there yata eh.
Yeah.
Ay, pero merong maliliit oh. Pwede. Do you like? Baka you're gonna get scared. Tapang din ah. Carnival na dito. Bump car, Ferris wheel guys. Canada Day. Ngayon lang dumaming tao kasi nga nagtago lahat at sobrang ulan kanina. Oh my God.
That's why I don't like to ride there. Because I'm afraid.
Traffic, guys. So, maghanap kaming pa-parking. Ayun yung gusto ni ate, yung tumataob-taob na ganun, oh.
What is that? Cotton candy?
Oh my God. It's just a display. Hindi niya na maalala if naglaro-laro naman siya dati nung baby pa siya. What's those?
At daycare we can have face paint.
Yeah.
I want
Hanap lang kaming parking, guys. Hi, guys. So, andito na kami sa may isang open space. Dito na lang kami manonood ng fireworks. So, kitang-kita naman dyan mamaya. Yan.
I can't
So, may dala kaming mga
Paano mo to kinuha?
camping chair. Dinukot ko, ba't kasi tapos inilapag mo ng paganon.
Hindi ako, siya. Iniwan
Wait
niya
lang,
bigla.
guys.
Dapat
Wala, dapat yung pataob kasi hindi mo na makukuha yan kasi nga yung butas niya, walang butas na.
nakakaasal.
You cannot get it anymore unless paubos na yun. Okay na. Mamaya na lang.
That one. You cannot get
Oh,
the-
this is the towel. We cannot, ayun lang. So, ayun guys, manonood kami dito, maghintay kami ng fireworks. Use your hoodie, Bri. It's a little bit cold.
Time na ba? 10 na. Tapos
Yan nga, 10 na, wala pang fireworks. And na guys, gabi na, wala pa ring fireworks. 10 o'clock na ba? 10:28 na. This is Baby Brie. Oh, wait lang guys. Yan na guys. Tatakpan. Dito, dito. Yeah! Woohoo! Happy Canada Day! Yay! Woohoo! Happy Canada Day! Nice guys, ayan, ang dami na nakalatag sa tabi namin. Guys. Oh! Ito doon kay Daddy, baka nandun din natin dapat. Wow! Yay, baby! Woohoo! Hey, baby na! Hey, baby! Woohoo! Woohoo, baby! Look! Look! Wow! Wow! Nice one, baby Brie. Wow! One more. Another. Look at this. You can't believe. Don't remember before? You watched that again?
I watched it with
Because you're still a baby that time. Yay! Nice one. Here ka, baby. Dito ka. Yay! marami dito na. Kanina kami lang nandito. So, may madami kami mga katabi. Canada Day. Si Brion? Ha? Come on, baby Brie. Baby Brie, come here. Jesus. Done? Why? You can't believe it? Si daddy, si ate. Jesus naman yung ano ko. Your ano, it will hurt later, this one.
Where?
Your throat. Yay! Happy Canada Day! Thank you, Daddy! Wow! Uy, ganda nun, oh. Yeah, different colors.
What water?
Stop shouting na, baby, or... Ah. Wait. Naririnig kaya dun yun? Hindi namin sinama si Amber. Magwawala siya dyan sa tunog ng putok.
When will it end?
May? Bakit?
What happened, Mama?
I don't know. Wow!
Wow!
You're so kilig, baby Brie.
So
Oh my God.
Wow! Ow! My ear. Mama, how much minutes will it end?
I don't know. Let's wait. So, tagal na.
It's been 100.
Tagal niya, guys. Do you like the fireworks?
Yeah.
Ay!
Mama, can you play with me?
But we were watching the fireworks. It will last na later. So, let's enjoy the fireworks. Free. Ay! Tapos na, Happy Canada Day! Yan, kahaba din ha. Ang tagal.
15 minutes?
Oh, 15? Grabe. Baby oh, ate. Hoy. Happy Canada Day!
Oh
Hey! Did you enjoy the fireworks?
Yeah, it was like.
Happy Canada Day!
It was like
Ate!
it was like 100 hours.
Ang OA. It was like 100 hours daw.
Mama, now can we go there?
Yeah, we're going now. So, pack up na guys. Let's pack up our things. Happy Canada Day. We're going home. Okay, bye-bye.
Ba't ako, saan